Let's make Ven Pongal today. Start by roasting moong dal in ghee until fragrant. Soak rice for 30 minutes, then drain. Add the rice to the dal with water and salt. Pressure cook for 3 whistles. Once cooked, open the cooker. Now prepare the tempering with ghee, mustard seeds, and cumin. Add chilies, crushed pepper, and asafoetida. Add cashews, ginger, and curry leaves for extra flavor. Mix in the cooked dal and rice. Add hot water to get the right consistency. Finish with a spoon of ghee. Your comforting Ven Pongal is ready to enjoy. Please like, share, and subscribe to P. Bhatt's Kitchen. Take care.